So the starting point, most generational lawyers say that it's the same. It's not the same. It can never be the same, because even if, for example, I am earning 1 lakh in my first job, for example, and I am very privileged to have a house nearby my offices. Let's take that assumption also. Even then, I don't have that discretion you have under your own father or mother to go somewhere if you want to see a doctor, if your parents are, not need your time, or if you have some other personal boyfriend or girlfriend, or because everybody has personal lives also. So the starting point is not same. Never ever compare. Starting point is different. For me, maybe it was difficult. For someone else, it's more difficult, because it's not just feudal, because but there is also a caste privilege, I feel. The children coming from socio-economically backward classes are taken less. In, for example, I've seen this is in many law offices. I don't see students from different backgrounds. I see from privileged backgrounds in those offices, because they can speak good English. They are as mediocre as normal students who can speak average English, because law is to some extent a training, and later your law and your analytical skills, your argumentative skills apply. But to one extent, when you're a young lawyer, there you're all the same. It's very easy to train you for 6 months, and then you can start drafting things and make things, and you will come at a normal level. But people don't hire those children, because then even the employer in the sense, the sole lawyer who is employing other associates, has the burden to take care that he has to pay the rent of the house, he has to take care of other expenses. So you don't get to have. I could go for that 15,000 maybe. Now people also, I have seen this, I've heard this from big lawyers, that no, you don't have to worry about the money. It's greed. You just worry about how much law you are learning. Maybe it looks very morally upright to say you don't have to worry about the money. Maybe I didn't worry about the money because I had food to eat, I had roof to live in. But the children who are not having this, or who are from outside Delhi also, they have to worry about the money, because they have to survive and sleep at least for 7 hours before they come and run after you and all your cases and labor, because it's a very labor oriented work. You have to draft, you have to think, you have to research, and then you have to argue, and then next day and again another case comes. So it's a very, very hodgepodge lifestyle also, but you have to maintain. With years, I mean, as I grow as a lawyer, I have maybe my earning has increased, and that is how my comfort has increased, and it will increase, I know, with time. But I have to stick to that Swati who earned at 15, and understand that any beginner lawyer who comes in with this baggage. This baggage most of the generation lawyers forget, even if they are youngsters, and most of the senior lawyers forget sometimes, to even not considering this fact that people have to survive and learn and earn, right? So this thing in law, it's a good thing also and a bad thing also, and that is why minimum pay doesn't impact. So there are also lawyers who give you a good pay but don't give you a life. They think that if I'm paying you, I will own you 24/7. No, that's not right. Maybe there are many other lawyers who do that, but 10 people doing the same wrong thing doesn't make the wrong thing correct. So I make sure that if I become a person with a very good big law office, I will make sure that if I cannot give a very high income, I can give a decent income and a life of their own, because they are growing. And again, like I said, that every age has a memory. Don't scar it with the owning someone's life. They have to experience, and that is how they'll evolve. They will not evolve all the time doing the labor oriented work, which they have to read other books also, evolve with time, read history, read society, meet up people, meet up other lawyers, make links, make connections, make more clients, let them grow, because on your salary the lawyer will not survive all for long, because any other lawyer will come for doing your labor. This lawyer has to make their own lives. Litigation is more about not being in offices but making your own office. So if you have to make your own office, you have to grow yourself.